It's the project I've been working on for the better part of this year, really. Olog.me. It is supposed to be Instagram, YouTube, but voice notes slash. It's come a long way, still has a long way to go. The apps don't exist yet, but this is the desktop view um, when you sign in slash sign up, and this is what I've launched. Quite a few users on there. I haven't been aggressively marketing it because again some people come and go in general, but a part of my heart skips every time I see some random person that I did not need to prod make a new post on the site. It always feels very, it keeps you going, yeah. There's still quite a bit to do, quite a few people on here as well, but let us keep building. So I'm working on the app right now. This is some of the posts for the website. Um, this is the postcard. So when you have a post like this one, this is the card. That's what this component is. My stack is React. If you haven't realized it yet, React. The main website was built with JavaScript, no TypeScript here or anywhere, but the new and improved big boy, over here, that app. Let me reduce this fonts because it just came in from a 2K monitor, so to keep things the font right, I zoom out. But when I'm here, I don't need to. Okay, so everything here in this big boy is TypeScript because why not? Let's make life easier for myself. Building your own thing makes you begin to appreciate TypeScript and all it brings, really, with regards to understanding what your code does, the different inputs and outputs, etc., etc. This is, I think I can bring this in here somehow. I'll close out of this. I'm gonna mix it up for now. Yes, please. That was fun. So yeah, this is where the app is right now. Let me reload this because links expire with Amazon S3. This is a dev version of the site. In fact, I have Redux. Yay! Redux, React DevTools, the whole shebang. It's a pretty setup that I've had for a minute now. So yeah, I put this down there. It's actually the upload bar. Oh, wait, what? Yeah, go. That's the upload progress bar down there. I'm still figuring out how I'm going to position it, but yeah, it's coming together. There are a few differences you notice between the website and the app, and I'll be covering them hopefully in subsequent videos. Let's see how much ginger there is. Alt Command I or Alt Shift I? Alt Command I. How do I open my inspector? Ah, no, that is not it. Not you, please. Be gone, sir. I'm gonna inspect this baby. Alright, so we'll see how it looks on a different screen, like big screens. Yeah, so it looks different, right? This is the mobile website, which I think is not too hard to see the distance between that and this, what you're seeing over here. You have to click listen for the mini player to show up, and it's just, I put them side by side because on a website, and I feel it should even be that way on the website because websites have these bars on the top and on the bottom that are just not it, really, if you're building something. How long has this video been on for? I'm curious. I don't have a timer. Anyway, I'll try and keep it to around 10 minutes, so I'll give myself like 5 minutes of recording time. Let me get my counter moving. Get the counter moving for 5 minutes. Let's do it. All right. So what else would people be interested in seeing on this app? Simple flows. You hit record. and then it starts recording. This is just a visualization that lets you know, oh, something is going on, and then this tiny thing over here fills up, and then you know your time is up. And you're done, son. You keep going. You post. You can add people. I can say RUTH. And if your internet's fast enough, oh, Rehan came up first. Wow, that's not. I'm looking for a roof. Nope, it's no roof. Okay. How did she say her name? Ah, there she is. So I can put it, and then she'll get a notification that I texted her. You can put links, things like that, things of that sort. So way beyond your typical YouTube level social network tutorial, in the sense that a lot of the meat has gone into the product. Huh? A lot of the meat has gone into the product. So that's what's up, really. Pretty involved, pretty involved, pretty involved. So that's a postcard again, and you can tell the difference between a postcard from the website and a postcard from the app. In fact, I think I can move this out of here. Can I do that? No, that didn't work. I'm gonna have them side by side. I can pull it off. I feel I can. Oh wait, yes, I can do that. I just need to say open file, open recent. No, I actually don't want to open it. What I want to do is carry this over here. Yeah, put it on a different screen, and then drag this good boy over here. All right. So you got them side by side, yeah? You see, they are extraordinarily, okay, this is a lot to take in. But let's just go straight to the components and look at the pops, okay? So again, when you're redoing your app, you can, oh, this is the post screen, it's not even the postcard. There's the postcard. You are refactoring quite a lot because it's your second time around. So you see more, you see a whole lot more than you would in the beginning. So, but a lot of the pops are still the same. And again, this is TypeScript and just pure.js, TypeScript. You see that it's not so intimidating. It's just only one type annotation, right? One place where I specify the types of the pops. That's pretty much it. Every other thing is as it was really. You see, it's fairly. I hope some of the variable names are descriptive, whether you want to see a description or not. And in fact, I did a trick to be able to have class names in React Native. If you're familiar with React Native, you know this is one of the biggest differences between React Native and TypeScript and React for the web. You don't have class names, but we did our thing and we still have our class names. There's a little stuff going on in the back to make that happen. I like tachyons a lot. I use it for the web and React Native because it's this shorthand that I like. It's clean to me. In my eye, it looks clean. It makes my component and hierarchy look cleaner than it used to. So you see a view, you see its current track. This is the active style. You see that. You see, but here is an article tag, HTML article tag for each post. Because semantic HTML, because why not, right? Instead of a link that goes to a different view, here I use a push. I push the profile view instead, and I use a button instead, because you don't have links in React Native. These are some of the subtle differences, but you can see that a lot of the code is moving between both of them. In fact, I give them the same names. And what I'm thinking is, I can use this web version, this React Native version, and render it to React Native Web, and have a new version of the website up without, in one go, which is would be pretty smooth. I know it's probably more involved than that, but let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So, a lot of stuff transferred over. A lot of stuff transferred over. And what's Olog's place in the world? It's now a good time to talk about that. I'm curious why. I think there's something for voice as a medium, uploading your voice notes and stuff like that, and even using it as a journal source. Time is out. My 5 minutes is pretty much up, so I guess I will talk about something else, something more interesting. Maybe next time. Hopefully this was big enough to see on your phone. Actually, I should have probably increased the font size a bit, because most people that watch videos on phones. But then if it's too big, I have to do some horizontal scrolling going on, like side to side. Well, hopefully I think it's good enough. I think it's big enough for most large phones to see. Yeah. So that's just an example component. Um, every app is made up of components. Yeah. So the profile view might look very familiar to you. Again, these are all just dot posts. They're not live. I have my own live profile on Olog.me. You can check out. The upload progress is always showing for some reason. This is an audio bio. That seems to be buffering. Whatever.
As confidence in war, no fear and feel with all your feelings.
Okay.
Embraced. Embraced. Have confidence in your war. There's no fear in you. Feel with all your feelings. Embraced. Embraced.
There's a little squish animation, if you notice.
Embraced. Embraced. Embraced.
Squish.
Embraced.
Alright. Pretty cool. Anyway, and then when you record, if you notice there's a difference. Well, I made this bigger. It's nice. I like it. When you're done recording, then the preview shows up.
When you record, Glory! If you notice there's a difference.
Yeah.
Well, I made this bigger. It's nice. I like it.
Similar to the website, this is the app BTW. In case you didn't notice, yeah. And then of course you have your reactions. Yay! It's not, but I did lose some extra because why not? Haha, on the app. Muhahaha. It's shaping up pretty nicely. Pretty nicely. If I do say so myself. Yeah. And Redux let me carry so much over. It's so nice how much it helped me carry over. So much. The state tree, you see that? And then for the app, this is the app, by the way. You can see the familiarity. Same state tree. It's so glorious. Really, it really is. What is the best time? I picked the best time to learn to code, really, in the history of learning to code. Now is the best time to learn. So yeah, more on the way. Building an app is still a lot of work, but it's never been easy. Let me know if there's any other thing you'd like to hear or know about. Woo! E for energy. I guess let's close out with energy.